Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare noodles with the leftover chapatis. These are the leftover chapatis of last night. So I've cut them into thin strips as you can see. I have folded them and cut them. So I've got these thin strips and now I'm going to cook this like a noodles. And it tastes really good. Perfect recipe for breakfast and a perfect utilization of the leftover chapatis. I'm going to add half capsicum. I've sliced them very thinly. Here I have taken one small carrot and I have cut them lengthwise. This also has to be quite thin. Here I have taken one onion and I have sliced them. This is black pepper powder. Here it is ginger, garlic and chili. I have green chilies. I have chopped it. Little sugar, salt as per taste. We'll use less salt because I'm going to use soya sauce. And I'm going to use cooking oil. So now let's get started to prepare this very yummy and very simple recipe. Here I have heated 1 tablespoon of oil, 1.5 tablespoon of oil, and now I'm going to add the chopped ginger, garlic and chili. Saute it for a while. The lovely aroma comes out. Now I will add the sliced onions, I will add the carrots and the capsicum. Fry it a little bit in the oil. After frying it for a few seconds, I'm going to add little black pepper powder, little bit of salt and a pinch of sugar. Mix everything together. Lovely aroma is coming out of the capsicum, ginger, garlic, and now I'm going to add little soya sauce. One teaspoon of soya sauce. Mix it. I will reduce the flame and cover and cook this for a minute. After a minute, I will remove the lid and I'll saute it. Now I will add these noodles made out of rotis. I mix them. Give it a good stir. Now cover it for another minute so that all the juice of the veggies goes inside the chapati. After 1 minute, I'll open the lid and I will stir it. If you want your noodles to be a bit crispy, you can fry it more longer. I don't want it that crispy. So for me, my noodles are done. My roti noodles are ready. So now I will plate it. Here is our very yummy roti noodles ready. You can pack this for tiffin. It will taste equally good. Or you can have it for breakfast. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my new recipes. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.